Each year has its challenges, but by supporting each other and making our relationship a friendship, we continue to grow stronger. The goal we share is the same, regardless of how long we've known each other. In appreciation of your support throughout this past year, we wish to express our deepest gratitude. We value your loyalty, our opportunity to work together, and look forward to sharing another wonderful year of partnership and collaboration with all of you. From the entire Motic team to all of you around the world, thanks for being part of our family. We wish you a joyous Christmas and a prosperous New Year.